Vice President, our National General Secretary, thank you so much. Today is Thursday. Where I come from, it's called Tinela Mbaja. It's indeed a beautiful day. It's our day, coming from a small village called Donanjaba in Makalungu constituency, and that small community of Namibians. I am out of words, but as a leader, one must always be ready 24 hours, and I truly just want to show my gratitude and accept this very important role, responsibility in a free and independent Republic of Namibia. And truly just to say, I accept with humility, the responsibility with humility, with honor, with pride, and with greater patriotism as a child of this beautiful republic. This appointment is about structure and discipline of this beautiful political party, IPC, that leads with focus, with dignity, with respect for everyone in this country, and with a sense of responsibility and ownership and patriotism, since we are all just servants of the people of